Hello, Dover Township residents, and welcome back to another construction update on our Township Building Addition and Renovation project. This is our 5th video in the series, and today we want to not only show you the progress taking place throughout the building, but also explain how these improvements can directly benefit the residents, visitors, staff, and community for years to come. We truly appreciate everyone's patience and understanding throughout construction as township operations continue during this important investment in Dover Township's future. As you can see, the addition is really beginning to take shape. The structural steel is in place, exterior framing and sheathing continue progressing, and the building footprint is now much easier to recognize. One of the most noticeable improvements will be the new public entrance. The updated entrance area is being designed to provide residents and staff with a more secure experience when visiting the township building. The renovated building will include expanded public meeting space, updated reception and payment areas, and additional room for township services and staff in areas of locker rooms, offices, storage, and meeting rooms. These improvements are designed to better serve the needs of our growing community both now and into the future. Inside the building, framework continues to move forward throughout the addition and renovation areas. You can now clearly begin to see the layout of offices, the atrium, hallways, meeting spaces, and storage areas. As these walls and spaces take shape, residents can begin to visualize how the completed building will function once construction is finished. The expanded layout will help improve efficiency for township staff as we continue to provide quality services to the community. Behind the walls and above the ceilings, crews are continuing important work on plumbing, HVAC, electrical, security, and technology systems. These systems are critical to the long-term operation of the facility and are being designed to improve reliability, comfort, safety, and energy efficiency throughout the building. The upgraded HVAC systems will help provide improved climate control for public meeting spaces, offices, and service areas, while updated technology and security infrastructure will support safer and more efficient building operations. Upper-level concrete work has also been completed in key areas of the building. This work provided the structural foundation needed for the next steps of framing, mechanical installation, drywall, and interior finishes. This area will be the new home of our recreation department staff as we continue to implement new programs and events in pursuit of your input from our joint recreation and open space plan. Windows, doors, and entrance systems are among the next major phases of work. As these components are installed, the building will become more enclosed and protected from the weather, allowing crews to continue interior work more efficiently. As inspections and rough-in work continue to be completed, the project is moving into drywall and interior finish phases. Once drywall is installed, residents will begin to see the finished appearance of offices, meeting rooms, hallways, and public spaces. Future work will include ceilings, flooring, paint, fixtures, doors, and final finished details throughout the building. Outside the building, additional work will continue on sidewalks, exterior finishes, landscaping, and public access improvements. These exterior upgrades will help tie the entire project together while improving accessibility, safety, and appearance throughout the township complex. While progress was delayed due to weather and design changes for our new elevator, our work has really been progressing nicely these past few weeks. It's currently anticipated the project will be completed by mid-July. I would like to thank the residents and our Dover Township team members for their patience as crews work toward completing the addition and renovation safely and efficiently. During construction, we ask residents and visitors to continue following posted signage and township updates regarding building access, office operations, payments, and public meeting locations. We understand that temporary access changes can occasionally be inconvenient, and we sincerely appreciate everyone's cooperation and understanding throughout this project. This building addition and renovation project represents an important long-term investment in Dover Township. With our next quarterly administrative e-newsletter scheduled for August, we hope to be able to share our final update on the project with a fully completed facility.